I'm Haley.
And I'm Davide.
Between the blogger
and the guide,
we are going to give you the best tips and tricks
to make the most of your trip to Rome.
Don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to be learning about tours at the Vatican. Did you know that the Vatican is actually the smallest country in the world? It is encircled by a 2-mile border within Italy. It's its own independent city-state and covers just over 100 acres, which makes it about an eighth of the size of New York City Central Park. Grayline has a lot of great options for the Vatican. You can either join in on an existing tour or you could even do a private tour. Davide, what can we expect for a tour at the Vatican?
The Vatican tour includes skip-the-line tickets, a licensed tour guide that takes care of you from start to finish, access to the beautiful galleries of the Vatican Museums, the Sistine Chapel and the magnificent St. Peter's Basilica. On the tour, you learn about the rise of the Christians to the power, how the popes went from religious leaders to becoming kings of a country in central Italy, as well as kings of the smallest country in the world. You'll see with your own eyes how the power of the faith brought the creation of some of the greatest masterpieces in art of all time and promoted talented artists to surpass themselves. An example, above all, is Michelangelo with the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. Did you know that he did not want to paint it? He was forced by Pope Julius II. Another must of the Vatican Museums is the Gallery of Maps. You'll be amazed by its luxurious decoration and it will have you constantly repeating just one word: wow!
Thanks, Davide. Now here are some additional tips that you need to keep in mind for your next visit to Rome. Number 1, book as early as possible. During peak season, these tickets will sell out, which means you won't get to visit. Tip number 2, book early AM or off-season if you're looking for lower crowds. These are the best times to go. Tip number 3, reach out to the sales team if you have accessibility needs or if you're looking to do like the papal audiences or the Christmas packages. These have to be arranged ahead of time through the groups in the sales team department. The link's down below. Number 4, wear comfortable shoes. You're going to be doing a lot of walking. You're probably going to do about 15 to 20,000 steps, so comfy. And tip number 5, make the most of your time in Rome with the hop-on, hop-off bus. There is a pickup right by Castel San Angelo right here. Here's the map of the hop-on, hop-off bus. And we hope that we can see you guys next time here in Rome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions.
Grazie mille to all our followers and arrivederci!